Today I'm reviewing AI Sales Rocket, a new tool built for Amazon KDP authors who struggle to get traffic and sales. If you publish book, you already know no traffic, no visits, no sales. Because Amazon reward visibility, not just a good writing. AI Sales Rocket, it's simple. Upload your book, AI generate content, it posts everywhere automatically. Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Threads, LinkedIn, and any platform you want. Unlike tool like ChatGPT, you don't need to write posts, design images, schedule anything. It does everything for you. Now, and this tool, it's one-time payment, no monthly fees. If you want to grab AI Sales Rocket, you find the link in the description and you have 30 days for testing. And see you the next one.